Hello, welcome back guys to Spottaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable trackers and ads blocking in Brave on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly, of course, you just have to open your Brave applications, and after here, simply just tap on this three dots icon at the bottom. Now in this page, you just have to scroll it down. Here I'm gonna turn off my VPN first, and after tap on this all settings options. Now go ahead to this shields and privacy, and at the first option we'll find out the trackers and ads blocking option. Just tap on it. If you want to enable it, you just have to choose these two options, which is aggressive options or the standard one. Here I'm gonna enable it for the standard. So if you want to stop it, you just have to go back because it will save automatically, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to enable trackers and ads blocking in Brave on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.